In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Squarespace to Square in just 5 minutes. This is perfect for those of you who are looking to streamline your online store transactions and make things easier for both you and your customers. So let's dive in and walk through this simple process together. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Squarespace website and logging into your account. Look for the login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be prompted to enter your login information. If you like simplicity and ease, there's a neat option to continue with Google, which you can select to skip the username and password shuffle. After you're logged in, take a moment to choose the specific website you want to connect with Square. Squarespace might show you a list of your websites if you manage multiple accounts, so make sure to pick the right one. Once you've made your selection, it's time to head over to the settings of your chosen site. Now you'll be looking for a settings section. This is where Squarespace keeps all the foundational options for your website. Clicking this will open doors to various configuration settings, but what you want to specifically look for is the selling or commerce section. This is where we start to bridge the connection between Squarespace and Square. Once you're inside the commerce or selling section, one of the categories you'll find is payments. Click on that to access the options related to payment methods you can accept from your customers. You'll see a list of different payment providers that Squarespace supports. Among these options, look for Square. Click on it because it's going to be the star of today's session. Then you'll likely be directed to a new page asking for your Square credentials. This step involves entering your Square account details to authorize the connection. It's important to have your Square login credentials handy at this point. Follow the prompts carefully to ensure that your accounts link up correctly. If you are concerned about security, rest assured that Squarespace and Square use secure methods to protect your credentials during this process. And there you have it. By now, your Squarespace account should be all set up with Square, enabling you to easily process payments from your customers. This not only helps you maintain a smooth transaction process, but also provides a convenient checkout experience for your users. Thank you for watching this tutorial on connecting Squarespace to Square. We hope you found it helpful, and as always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions or run into any hiccups along the way. Have a great day and happy selling.